If you're choosing between the Clicks Communicator and Titan 2, this isn't just phone versus phone. It's minimalist companion versus true BlackBerry revival. So which one is actually the new BlackBerry? Let's break it down. Clicks Communicator is designed as a second phone. It focuses on messaging, calls, and reducing distractions, almost like a modern dumb phone with a smart keyboard. It even uses a minimalist launcher to keep things simple. But here's the catch. It's intentionally limited. It's not meant to replace your main smartphone, more like a companion device. Titan 2 from UniHertz takes the opposite approach. It's a full BlackBerry-style Android phone with a physical keyboard, designed to be your main device. It keeps the classic QWERTY experience alive while still running modern apps and features. It's closer to what BlackBerry used to be, a productivity-first phone with real daily usability. From real user feedback, Titan 2 feels like a real all-in-one phone, like old BlackBerry. Clicks feels more like a companion device. So which one is the new BlackBerry? Choose Clicks Communicator if you want a distraction-free, secondary device focused on communication. Choose Titan 2 if you want a true BlackBerry replacement you can actually use as your main phone. Bottom line, Clicks Communicator captures the idea of BlackBerry, keyboard plus focus, but Titan 2 captures the experience. If you're asking which is a new BlackBerry, Titan 2 is the real answer. Clicks is more like a modern twist on the concept, not a full replacement. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.